Use a vegan, but you going ham. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. If you guys are new here, then it's welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you won't be disappointed and you don't want to miss out on future content. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I make this fire plant-based tuna sandwich. It was too bomb. Again, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned so I can show you guys how we made it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this plant-based tuna. This is the Sophia's plant-based tuna that I found here at one of my local grocery stores. What I really like is the Good Catch tuna. It comes in a pack, just like packed tuna would, and it's perfect for this recipe. But either way, it's still going to come out super bomb, so just go ahead and get this in a large bowl. And then I just go ahead and season this up to taste. All of these seasonings here are completely optional. I just really love to make sure all of my food is really flavorful. What I really would recommend that you definitely use is definitely the black pepper. I also use some dill seasoning here, and then I also use a little bit of Old Bay. And then of course like a little bit of sea salt as well, make sure it's really flavorful, but all of these extra seasonings is completely optional. I just love a lot of flavor in my food, so just go ahead and season that up. And then I go ahead and add in some chopped celery, and I also add in some chopped onion as well. Okay, and so I found this hack off of someone I was following on TikTok. Of course, TikTok made me do it. This hot and sweet jalapenos that I got from Trader Joe's, they are so bomb. I literally put them on everything and was done with this jar within a week and a half. But that juice from there, so bomb. So I just go ahead and toss all of those ingredients in that juice so it just takes on that flavor. Like, if y'all have Trader Joe's, y'all need to try these hot and sweet jalapenos. They're so fire, like 2 bomb, 10 out of 10. They go good on sandwiches. Like, I put that ish on everything. And then I come in here with some vegan mayo, and then I also come in with some mustard. All I had was some spicy mustard on hand, but regular mustard is just as good. This just adds a little bit of a kick, and that's all I had today or the day that I was making this. So just go ahead and toss that in. You can go ahead and just add that to your liking. I added a little bit at a time, and this is the consistency that I ended up with. And then you just go ahead and stack it. I'm going for some high protein, low carb vibes here lately, so I am using this particular bread. And then I'm using a little bit of this kale pesto vegan that I got from Trader Joe's. So fire, like 2 bomb. Like, this is really good for like grilled cheeses too, or just like any sandwich. Like, this is so fire. It's delicious. So I just go ahead and slather that up on some toasted bread, and then I come in with some sliced avocados. And then just top it up to your liking, and go ahead and scoop that right on in there, and I just add as much as you like. And that's all she wrote. This was super easy, super simple, but super bomb. It just gives me all sort of nostalgic vibes. I used to eat tuna salad a lot growing up, and it just takes me back there. But with all of the kale, the sprouts and everything, and the pesto, it just takes it up top notch and just makes me feel like I'm having a luxury spin on my childhood. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below. Let me know what you think if you're going to be giving this a try. And thank you so much for watching.